Balik na mga kapuso din sa GMA Regional TV Live. Bisan kuno kun nagkagidlay na ta sa mga problema nga giatubang karon gumikan ining ECQ ug sa hulga sa COVID-19. Isab angayan igsapayan ang estado sa atong panglawas. Kining gitawag nila nga self-care. Mao kini atong hisgutan karong buntaga mga kapuso kauban ang subuanang beauty queen Miss Earth 2014 Jamie Herrel. Good morning, Miss Jamie.
Good morning, Nico. Good morning, everyone.
Good morning. Sa pagkakaroon, we understand wala ka sa Sugbo no, na ako no ka sa Ilocos karon na stranded sab tungod aning ECQ.
Oo, na ako diri sa Ilocos Norte karon. So, unta maadto ko balik sa Cebu. Ang problema man gud, dili ko kay balo kung asymptomatic ako. Nya tiguang naman gud akong mama. So, imagine kung I give her the COVID. So, I tried to prevent that. So yeah, so na ako diri karon sa Ilocos Norte.
How is it like? How are you making the most out of your time there? Samtang naka-ECQ pag yun ta?
I mean, pretty good paghihapon. I mean, it's all about mind over matter, diba? And it's okay naman to sometimes feel bad because we want to go out and be with our friends and, you know, there are other situations happening in life because of COVID. But then at the end of the day, when there's an opportunity, we also have to, I mean, when there is a calamity or a situation, we have to find an opportunity to improve ourselves, diba? So yun, like I've been doing a lot of activities to keep myself busy. And I've also been trying to promote self-care for other people, like when they're in ACQ. So na siya.
Usa ka sa may advocate good self-care. Do nagpagli kay gi-post lately, self-care menu. Can you tell us more about this? Unsay ang iyang buhaton or tips lang sab sa ato mga kaigsuonan diha?
Oo, because actually a lot of people, not just me but also other fellow beauty queens and also mga artista, they're trying to promote self-care when you're inside the house. So for example, like when you're at home, it's really an opportunity to spend quality time with your family or mag-communicate, you know, sa imong mga pamilya or imong mga friends, diba? So that's really important because with the fast-paced life, this is a moment to be still and really connect with others. So that's one of the self-care tips that we also give. And also to try to find some hidden talents, diba? Because everybody is talented in their own way.
Di ba, Ms. Jamie, you posted also a video with your fellow beauty queens. Kauban gihapon to, of course, with the same causa gihapon, self-care.
Oh, so yes, technically, like we have the video with the Origin group. So of course, the Maria Di Gigante was there. Everyone knows Zini Ganados, Diana Nelson. So we were all in this video together just to promote how you can still connect with family and friends, even through social media, and also have a little bit of fun. Kasi ang problema karon, diba, is that a lot of people are kind of negative or they're trying to shut out. It's either they're full on social media or shut out of social media. And the problem with that is that you when you don't try to connect with other people, some people have a tendency to get depressed. So this video actually promotes how you can connect with other people even when you're staying at home.
Finally, Jamie, basig na kay message imong family back home diri sa Cebu o message na lang po sa mga Cebuanos.
Oh, actually, everyone, I really miss Cebu already. It's been really a while since I've been home, and to be honest, I'm a little bit homesick. I miss my family and my friends, and I was excited because I was supposed to graduate my bachelor's in communications and marketing, but sadly that's placed on hold. But I hope to come home soon and be able to be with everyone. And yung mga Cebuanos, please stay safe, stay at home, stay positive. We're gonna get through this because knowing God's plan, whatever He puts us through, although it is a struggle to make us stronger for the upcoming days. So just stay positive and always be happy and stay with your family and friends. And my mom, my sister, and all of my family members there, my niece, Mia, I love you.
Thank you so much for your time. Ang isa imong inspiring sab nga message alang kanamong tanan karon adlaw. Thank you so much, Miss Earth 2014 Jamie Herrel.
Thank you, Nico.
God bless you, Jamie.